Hey everybody, Jeremy Jones with 603 Drones LLC up here in Goffstown, New Hampshire. I had a question come up in a forum recently regarding an Inspire 1 Pro that lost power during mid-flight around a radio tower and tumbled to the ground. And the question that came up was, could this have been caused by radio frequencies coming off of the tower, or was it more likely to be something physical with the aircraft? My answer on this is that I strongly believe that it was something physical to do with the aircraft itself, most likely some type of a lost power connection between the battery and the airframe. So to demonstrate why I so strongly feel that that is the answer, pulled out one of the Inspire 1 Pros that we have here at the shop, and I'm going to simulate a loose battery connection and then reconnect. And the reason I'm going to simulate that is because the user who posted the question indicated that he strongly feels he heard the aircraft reboot during its rapid descent. That basically, as it was tumbling from the sky, he swears he heard it reboot right back up again. And I'm gonna basically recreate that here. So have a look. Okay, so as you can see, we have an Inspire 1 Pro all fired up, ready to go. I'm going to simulate a loose battery connection and then quick reconnect and watch what happens. See the red light? That indicates the aircraft's powering down. But then by putting the battery back in, you hear that it has rebooted all by itself. So it did not require me to perform the double tap on the battery like you would normally do to reconnect. It just required, while the battery itself was still energized, while the electronics in the battery were still energized, it just needed to make that connection again, and it rebooted itself right back up. So I hope this demonstrates for you how a loss of a battery connection can cause a power down and reboot. It doesn't even necessarily have to be that the battery itself came loose. If there was something loose within the battery itself or within the connector that connects to the battery, it might seem to you like the aircraft is completely functioning the way it's supposed to, like the battery is locked in, but in reality there could have been something under the surface that caused that disconnect and reconnect. So I hope this helps.